Gentlemen, today I will be talking about extraction using ultrasound assisted. And my topic is based on a recent article in, in Sustainable Chemistry and Pharmacy. And that the work is by Torino University under leadership of Professor Deborah Filo and is entitled Optimization of ultrasounds assisted extraction of polysaccharides from cradles of Pupuntia ficus indica using surface methodology. Polysaccharides are from cradles using ultrasound assisted extraction. Operating conditions optimized by modeling using general certain composed surface design. And this how is included solid liquid ratio to free operating condition by using this methodology are following solid liquid ratio 1 to 10, pH 2.5, time 20 minutes, and temperature 65. This was showing how to actually what be extraction and what would be in such extraction acidification degree indicated the extract of low methylated, which are and total phenol contents. The growth of industrial activities in the food and agriculture sectors is causing increase in waste production. This waste could represent an important source of high value added compounds. Valorization could allow reducing to the raw materials decrease amount of effective waste to be disposed to the and to incentivize and support the economy of the food and agri-food sector. Apuntia Pintus indica, crop species native to Mexico, belonging to the cacti family, now is primarily found in the other plants as well, such as Mediterranean basin, thanks to its relative ease of vegetative propagation, which also makes it important in the prevention of soil degradation and desertification. Mexico is first region per hectares cultivated 50 to 70,000, while Italy intensive is located 8,000 hectares, located mainly in Sicily. There are several actually used for polysaccharides, which is acidified hot water extraction, enzymatic extraction using cellulose and auxiliaries, acidified hot water extraction, and mechanical extraction, extrusion, and ultrasonic. The here the yield is mm, is from 0.18 in case hot water, enzymatic is high, and microwave assisted is 26, but mere microwave is trouble that is not equally mixed and used still. This is the problem. The practice is a false found in the soil wall and the middle of plants that has many functional and nutritive uses within the food and as industries. Commercial pectin, usually extracted from citrus peel and after performance, is mainly used in the food industry as an indicative of thanks to its gelling, stabilizing, and thickening properties. Depending on its origin, pectin has very macromolecular and microstructure properties. Its final use and its health benefits depends on these properties. While the classic procedure for pectin-based polysaccharides consists generally of acidified hot water extraction, The most innovative and green techniques may include the use of substitute enzyme to fluids, enzymatic extraction, ultrasound assisted extraction, and microwave assisted extraction. For proteocards, there is a rather vast literature in which different extraction processes of the polysaccharides were tested. A summary of the results found in other searches is shown in Table 1, with different results in terms of yield of extraction and final products of harvest. Ultrasound assisted extraction as a novel method to obtain polysaccharides for clatters of opuntia fries are clean and environmentally friendly technique with advantage to ease of use, especially if electrons are coming from renewable sources and energy. Ultrasonic waves generate cavitation bubbles that can enhance contact between solvent and plant materials, improving the accelerating the mass transfer and target compounds, such as extraction time and temperature at the choice determine the process is therefore optimized based on 4 parameters, while the others are kept constant. The testing interval are the solid liquid ratio from 1.10 to 130 for pH 1.5 to 2.5. The HPS reagents, commercial standards for carbohydrates, following cultural to reagent and 2.2 picrohydrazine and other reagents were purchased from Merck and Czech harvested from Apulia in the south of Italy. After the washing, the forms were removed and crackers cut into small slices. The small sample was dried in the oven at 103 degrees Celsius. Lipids were determined using the carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, sulfur analyzer. The value was then multiplied by 6.25 conversion factor to obtain the protein, percentage of protein. Total dietary fibers were determined using the total dietary fiber assay kit, which works with a combination of enzymatic and gravimetric methods. The dried sample is first treated with stable alpha amylase and then digested with protease and amyloid glucosidase. The fiber precipitation takes place within the addition of ethanol. Polysaccharides construction is from 750 watts power industry and 20 kHz frequency. The extraction took place after the extraction. The sample was centrifuged with a centrifuge at 4,000 rotors per minute for 15 minutes. 2 volumes of 95% were added to mermid liquid phase to allow polysaccharides precipitation, and the total sample was stored at 4 degrees. The ethanol added were centrifuged after 4,500 rotors per minute for 15 minutes to make all the ester was settled well. The supplement supernatant was removed and the ester was dried at 50 degrees Celsius. The extraction yield percentage was calculated at for 100 mils. A phase central composite surface design was used in the study to investigate the effect and optimize the process variables. Four factors in three levels were tested to obtain the maximum yields in polysaccharides. Solid liquid ratio 1/10 to 1.40 and from pH 1.5 to 5 to 4.5 except to temperature 25 to 75 and exonification time. The total number of 27 experiments included 3 replicates and the central point to validate the model. The monosaccharide composition is with refractive was performed with Resex organic acid. Ultra-pure water was used as mobile phase at flow rate equal to 0.7 milliliters per minute. The pH was measured and the sample was neutralized. Monosaccharide was based standard analysis at equal conditions. The total phenolic content of the ester was determined using foreign reagent standard method that for total phenolic content from quantification for tea leaves, briefly 1 milliliter of diluted extract in 30 grams with mixed with foliage chunk reagent with 3 to 8 minutes sodium carbon. This then radical activity was used by this extract solution or was mixed with 1 milliliter of reagents and extraction as well as extraction degree. So extraction using 2 metal of ethanol. How was extraction the ester? End result we have in case of 25 degrees and wanted 10 minutes and at pH 1.5 the texture was 10, similarly to the 1350 studies and time 20. So the coefficient yield wasn't so high like in traditional in ultrasound, but was still different. It shows that with a source shows to use more friendly extra degree. The radical content was also high, and this work was employed polysaccharides and obtained such condition that solid liquid 110 and 20 and 65 was extraction yield was 12%. The extra showed that acidification degree equal to was depth to 33%, and albinos was 15, mostly with glycolic acid. The anti-radicality has achieved 96%, which is quite high. So this is they encourage the use of extract as a new ingredient in nutraceutical prismatic application. So thank you very much for listening to me, and thank you.